Guide you through how to install the YouTube app on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you wanted to go and get the YouTube app. Having a YouTube app makes using and watching YouTube so convenient. Perhaps you're just an avid watcher of YouTube, and so you want to be able to easily go and access the platform and go and start watching your favorite videos and people you subscribe to. Or you may go and be wanting to go and create. And so with the YouTube app, you can go and create shorts in there. You can go and upload videos in there and access your channel as well. So we're going to guide you through how this can go and be done. Make sure there's full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important things throughout this whole video. So to go and get started, make sure you've gone and got a connection to the internet. You can go and use Wi-Fi. You can see I'm currently connected there. And if I go and open up my settings, you can see I'm connected there as well. You can always go and use cellular and mobile data as well. But of course, you are limited to how much you've got. I like to go and use Wi-Fi, so I'm connected to a Wi-Fi router there. Now, what we need to do is go and get to the store on our iPhone where we can go and get apps from. So there are loads of different apps, including YouTube, and we'll guide you through that now. So you want to go and locate the App Store. It looks like that. You can always go and drag down and go and search for it as well if you're struggling to go and find it, and open it up this way. Now you want to go to the bottom right and you're going to go and find the search, which you can go and tap on. Press the search bar at the bottom and you can then go and type in YouTube like so, and here we are. So as you can see, here it is. There may be other YouTube apps that we want this main YouTube on. You can go and see to the right, I've got this cloud icon. For you, it'll probably go and say get. I've got this icon as I've gone and downloaded it before. So you can press that cloud icon or get, depending upon what you've got. And now it's going to go and start downloading. You may need to go and enter in your Apple ID account password if you haven't already had the app before. If you haven't got an Apple ID account, you need to go and create one, but you should already have one if you're using your iPhone. You can go and see I've now got it. What you can do is go and press open to go and start using it. Alternatively, when we come out of it, it should go and take us to the app page it's on. And you can tap on it to go and open it up. As you can see, you can go and sign with Google, or you can go and use YouTube signed out. It can be a good idea to go and sign in just to go and get the best experience. I'll agree to this. I've read this before.